In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record rental income in QuickBooks Online. This simple task can make a huge difference in keeping your financials well organized and straightforward. So let's get started on this quick journey to recording your rental income like a pro. First, you need to access your QuickBooks Online account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button on the main page. This should bring you to a screen where you're presented with various options for signing in. For this tutorial, we'll choose QuickBooks Online from the list provided. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials, type in your email and password, then hit the Continue button to proceed. It's essential to have the correct credentials on hand, so take a moment to double check if needed before moving forward. Once you're logged in and on the QuickBooks dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and look for the Transactions tab. Click on it and you should now see the Chart of Accounts option. Click on Chart of Accounts to begin the process of creating a new account specifically for your rental income. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll want to click on the New button. This is what allows us to set up a bespoke account to manage the income coming from your rentals effectively. You'll be prompted to add an account name. This is where you can be descriptive, using a name that is easily identifiable, like rental income account, to ensure clarity in the future when reviewing your financial records. Next, navigate to the Account Type drop-down menu and select Income. It's crucial to categorize it correctly, as this impacts financial reports and statements. Following this, you'll move to the Detail type. From there, you'll choose Sales of Product Income. Although it might feel a bit counterintuitive because it's not a product in the traditional sense, this is typically the category used in QuickBooks for rental income. Don't forget to add a description. In the description box, write a brief overview of this account's purpose. This can be as simple as income from rental properties. Adding a description can be very beneficial for others who might view or manage your account in the future and need to understand the account's purpose quickly. Finally, with everything set up, click on Save. This action locks in all the details you've just entered, officially creating the account in your QuickBooks Online system. And there you have it, you're all set with recording rental income in QuickBooks Online. Not only does this keep your financials organized, but it also ensures that every penny from rental activities is accurately accounted for. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.